Good morning. It's the 4th of November 2010 and this is your daily outlook. Frantic markets as the Federal Reserve announced quantitative easing too. Dollar trading was sent into a frenzy as the FOMC decided on a bold move to purchase long-term securities to the sum of $600 billion by the end of the second quarter of 2011, whilst maintaining existing policies and reinvesting proceeds from its mortgage-related holdings to purchase further Treasury debt, bringing the figure closer to $850 billion. The plan to purchase further securities in an attempt to lower borrowing costs for business and consumers is an effort to inject fresh stimulus into the economy. The market struggled to digest the decision at first glance as the dollar whipped around most majors. In other news, ISM Services was released at 54.3 above forecast of 53.5. The euro played second fiddle to the FOMC decision, initially moving lower before spiking higher once further details were released. With little data out of the eurozone, the euro traded below the key 140 mark. The euro-dollar traded with a low of 139.89 and a high of 141.75 before closing at 141.42. European Central Bank also convenes today. The sterling slipped soon after the FOMC decision to extend its stimulus package before regaining a hold above 161 late in the North American session. In domestic news, UK PMI services rose to 53.2 for the month of October from previous 52.8. The sterling dollar traded with a low of 160.05, a high of 161.65 before closing at 161.01. The Bank of England meeting is scheduled on Thursday. Although punching below 0.99 for a short period, the Aussie dollar moved to firmly establish itself above parity levels to set fresh post-float highs for the second time this week. Coupled with the decision by the RBA to hike rates on Tuesday, the decision by the FOMC to extend a greater stimulus package confirmed the underlying strength in the Aussie, with markets switching to a risk-on mentality. Market now focuses on retail sales and trade balance figures during Thursday's Asian session. Currencies to watch out for: the euro-dollar and sterling dollar. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 140.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 140.70. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 160.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 160.70. Today's calendar of market movers will have the UK Bank of England rate decision and also the European Central Bank rate decision. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed positive with the Dow up 0.24% and the SP 500 closing up 0.37%. European bourses were negative, with the FTSE down 0.15%, the DAX was down 0.55% and the CAC closed down 0.59%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 2.17% and the Hang Seng was up 1.13%. It's been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.